All right, hi guys. Okay, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to connect our backend to our application. I've been trying to make this video since morning, and the network have been very challenging. And then also we have electricity issue, but thank God we are able to start. So in our previous video, we've learned how to create application with Google, create application and design with Google Stitch, and also we learn how to make the design interactive with a fully functional front end using Google AI Studio, and we also tweak it uh, to be well suitable for us using the same Google AI Studio, and you're able to deploy it for to the public using the Netlify. But today we are going to learn how to put a backend into our application so that we can have user authentication and several other things. So we are going to do that now using this. So what we are going to do after creation, if you don't know how to use Google AI Studio to create application, you can watch our previous video. So you are going to create a Supabase app, Supabase account using your GitHub or your Google account. Yeah, whichever one, your email. So it's going to be like this. So you just click on start start your project. Once you click on it, it's going to load a little bit. It's going to bring you to the interface. So what you need to do here, you create a project, you give it a name, you put some password and all that. The form is very easy. So I've created a project here because of the network. I've created the project here. It's pretty easy. So once you come to the project, you need to supply Supabase with few information. You have to supply Supabase with the project ID, the project URL, and the API key. These are the three things you need to supply Google AI Studio. You can see I want to connect Supabase uh, with the detail below. That is the prompt I gave for Google AI Studio, then it connects it automatically. So let me just show you where you can get this information. Once you create it, it's going to look like this. So you're going to come here, you're going to come to project settings. Once you click on project setting, it's going to bring you here. You're going to see this menu. So if you come to general, general is where you can find your project name, your project ID. When you come to data API, you can get your project URL from here. You can see this your project URL. So you can just come here and copy it and paste. And then your API key is here. Yeah, this is where you can get your API key from. You just need to come here, then you uh, click on this place, and it's going to retrieve your API key. You can see you just copy it here. You just copy from here, and then you drop it here. This is where I got those informations from. So once you put it there, it's going to connect it to Supabase immediately. So once we sign in now, so we sign in with okay, I don't want, okay, you come to Supabase also, go to your authentication, you come to authentication, and then you see sign up. So you come here to this confirm email, you switch it up so that users will not receive a confirmation email. You also need to allow new users to sign up. Then you save change. To save change, you come back here now. Now, if we sign up, let me sign up in front of my email. Sign up with one of my email. Sorry, so question 6 at gmail.com. Then my password will go. What you see my password? Okay, so if I sign in now, if I sign in now, yeah, okay, probably I need to run this. Let me, don't know what is wrong with AI Studio recently. Let me run this. Yeah. So once you do that, you also need to tell AI Studio to help you to help you create the data and schemas. You provide you with the SQL query to do that. So that is what I say here, and then it gives me this SQL query. So I'll just go back to Supabase and then go to data, come here, come to your SQL editor, and then you paste that particular uh, okay, SQL. Okay, you paste it here. Already. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me see. Oh, that's not what I copied. Okay, supposed to copy this and then come here, paste this here. Okay. All right, good. So and then we run it. So if we run it, it's going to create a. Okay, so okay, that's because I've already created the okay. I've already created this, so this is not needed anymore. Yeah, this is not needed anymore. So this is what I need. Okay, yeah, it has created what I need from me. So I've already pasted it before. So that's why we got this. Yeah, there's it. There's the schema for the personal journal, all that. So all right, so that is done with that. So let me think. Let me create this. Okay, and run it. Oh, I think I already have it here. That's why I've already pasted it. So it's already created the all this for me. So I don't need to put this anymore. I think I'll just come here, delete this, come here, and then delete this as well. All right. Okay, I think we've already run the query, and then that's why we're able to get this. Okay, that's why we're able to get this. Yeah, that's why we're able to get this and all that. You can see the user ID, the entry, the names, and the category. Yeah, we've already pasted it the first time. All right, so let's try and log in again. Okay, it seems since my keyboard is misbehaving, let me see if I can connect it back. Yeah. So let me connect my keyboard. All right. So that is basically all you need to do. Think network is slowing things down for me. Okay, think the network is pretty slowing down. So this is basically all you need to do for your backend. Yeah, this is a demo. I think also this is also having some few work to do on Google AI Studio here. I still need to fix some bugs here, but that is all you need to do at the you can see our schema have been created. You can see our schema have been created already. Yeah, you can see our schema. Yeah, you can see the tables have been created as well. See, our table have been created as well. So all you just need to do is you just tweak this app to just log in. Once you log in, you're going to come here. You come to your user project overview. No, We come here to database. You come to database, you come to your storage. Let's see. Let's bring that. Okay, I think database, yeah. You'll see our user. Okay, yeah, this is the user here. This is the user. If you come here, you're going to see the user ID, the email, and all that here. Real time. Not gotten a user yet, so not signed up yet. So once you are able to do that, then we are going to have it connected. I don't know. So let me see again. So Kashim 6 at gmail.com. Okay, I have to sign up. I have to create an account. How? I think that's why. I have to create an account, Kashim Yusuf 6 at gmail.com. So once I create the account, then I can now sign in. Okay, yeah, that's why. Oh, that's why, yeah, get. So this is the app I created. It's just a daily journal app. So you can just go ahead, create a journal with calendar. You can create insights as well. Yeah, this was fully generated using Google AI Studio. It works perfectly. You can come to your profile and you can turn it to dark mode. I kind of like this dark mode. Yeah, so it's fully functional now. Once you come to Supabase, you come to your database. You come here to there's a table. Okay, a table. Where can I even find this? I think should be able to get. I want to find the user. The user. Where do I get the authentication? Okay, yeah, you see user. Yeah, user here. You can see. You can see. I just signed in. You can see the user here. usercustom6 at gmail.com. You can see here. So you can log in and log back out, and then you will still see. If I log in with another email now, you will see my email here. So this is how to connect a front end to backend, and you can call this a full stack now. Then we are sorry about the network and all that. That's what we're facing here in this part of the world. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and stay with us for more. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day. You can you already know how to deploy this on Netlify. All you need to do is to just come to Netlify. So once you come to Netlify, what you're going to do is very pretty simple. So you come to Netlify, it's going to just load, and then okay, good. I think I'm already logged in. Oh, I'm already logged in. Okay, let me see if I can log in again. So you just deploy from GitHub. Since our app is on GitHub for version control, you can just deploy from GitHub. Sign it to my Google account. So it's just the same way we've deployed our app on Netlify, my previous video. You can just go ahead and watch that. Yeah, you can just go ahead and watch that, and then you will know how to deploy our app. So the difference is that you don't need to download the app. Since your app is already on GitHub, save on GitHub, you can see it here. This is it. So you just come here and then you add a new project. Okay, you import an existing project. Then you are going to import from GitHub. It's going to load. Yeah, since our GitHub is already there, just need to authorize it. Give it an authorization. Then it's going to go through your repo, and then it's going to bring you this. Where is it? This is it. This is the app. So you click on it. Then you give it a name. The name is what do you call it just now? It's kind of what do you call it? Serene. I don't know the name. Serene Daily is the name of the app. So just come here and copy, then paste it here. Take it away. Paste it here. So that's just what you need to do. Then you come here, you deploy. So once you deploy, it means it's going to just go through some few things. Yeah, project to deploy in progress. So it's going to just go through everything from GitHub, and then no time, it's going to deploy and provide you with a public URL that people can access your app through. So you just give it time. Project deploy in progress. It's in progress. You'll see deployed when it's done. See, okay, you can see now. There's the link. If I click on this link, it's going to open a new tab. It's going to open a new tab, and if it is blank, yeah. I think I need to talk about this. If it is blank, you just need to reload it. You make sure it's blank properly. Yeah, you copy the URL, copy it, and then come to AI Studio and say that what you've deployed. I have deployed. You come here and tell it that I have what? I've deployed. Okay. You tell it that you've deployed. You've deployed the app. You've deployed the app on Netlify. On Netlify. On Netlify with the URL with the URL, with the URL of the app, but it's showing what? Just blank. It's showing blank. So yeah, it normally does this. It's showing blank. So you just need to just run this. It's going to go through this and then just solve the problem. It's going to adjust the code so that it can run properly on the Netlify link. So once you do that, you need to commit. If you don't commit, it won't update on this particular site. So this is one of the application I created with this one of my projects. Let me come to my project overview. So let me come to my project overview. Okay. Oh, this for the app here, projects. Come here. So these are some of my projects that I've already deployed. So one of the most beautiful project of mine is this relationship evaluation app. I would like everyone to try this. Yeah, it's called relationship evaluation app. It's very beautiful and it's cool. So this have a backend. You can log in, you sign up, and then you can also be a guest if you're afraid of signing up. You can just be a guest. What you need to do if you want to know Alex, okay, let's say my relationship with Kashim, and Kashim is my boyfriend. It's my friend. Let's say Kashim is my friend, and our relationship is romantic, and we've been together for 7 years. Our closeness level is this. We live long distance, so we can begin to test the quality of our friendship by answering these questions, and then at the end it will evaluate it and tell you how your friendship have been with the person and possible way to improve. When you click on show results, it's going to evaluate your friendship. You only have 64% with this person, and it's going to give you a reflection and insight on how you can do with your relationship. This 2026, I urge everyone to use this. Yeah, I will drop the link on the video so that you can try it. and then all measure your relationship with your partner, with your friends, with your wife, with your husband, with your children, and then improve on it with the insight that our integrated AI provides you. This has the backend. So once you log in, I'm going to know, and then also you can, when you log in, you can create. Okay, I think I have an account here. Oh, let me see. I think I do have an account. Yeah, let me log in. Okay, this is my account. Okay. So this is my account. Yeah, I save a couple of. I just when I was doing the test. So you can have your history of everything, and you can also delete some of them. Yeah, you can delete them. You can add. So you can check for new friends, and then you can do all this. You can do all this. So it works pretty well. Yeah, this is fully functional. This is a full stack app, and the backend I run it with Supabase. So let me see whether this guy have already done the adjustment here. Oh, okay. Let me see. Since let me refresh this page. It says it has done some few things. Let me commit it. Let me see. There's no change. There's no change. Uh, see, I don't know whether it has done anything at all. Let me put it back. Okay. It's supposed to work on the code and then tweak some things so that it will work. So most of the time, because you have not put the app on Netlify, it's going to have some bugs, and it has to just fix it, and then once it fixes it, you just reload the page, you commit firstly, then you reload the page, and it's going to work fine. In fact, my relationship app it also gave me some few issues like that before it could work properly. And I think I have an upgrade that I wanted to put on the interface and all that. The main advantage of using GitHub is that you are going to have access to update your app, and once you commit it and you and you reload the folder, sorry, the link on the Netlify link, it is going to work perfectly. Yeah, it's going to work perfectly. Yeah. So this is just one user that I have here. So I don't know. I think it's still running. So I want this to work perfectly before this video ends. It's going to take a little time. It has to work on the codes and then probably see what's wrong with it, and then we can see it. Yeah, it's still blank. So just tell Google AI Studio whatever problem it is, and it's going to fix it. Yeah, it's going to definitely fix it. Everything that's okay. Yeah, you can see it's changing some few things. So it has to change it so that the app can work on that URL. So updating the general entry and all that. So it's going to update it. Once it updates it, it will not work if we don't commit. Always make sure you commit. Once you update the GitHub, it's going to commit, and then you'll be able to access it from the link. To have effect on the link. So just give it time to work perfectly. If it works perfectly, we can just go back to commit. Once we've committed, then we can just come here and reload the page. You'll see it will have effect immediately since we deploy from Git. We deploy from Git. So I think this video is taking too long. I will add a description of this, and probably since you already know the URL, I'll also add it. When it's working perfectly, you can also test it from your own end. Yeah, this video has taken enough time already. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Okay, it has even done it. You can see it made a few changes. So all you need to do here is to come back here to Git. To come to Git, then you commit. Once you commit, you refresh, you reload the page. I'm going to tell you it's going to be wonderful. Yeah. Okay. enough of that. Just help me. Just try the both apps, and then send me a review. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you guys have really stayed for quite long, thank you, and so help me God. Thank you.